Definitions of Chapter 5, Class 8. Yes, the definition is of fuel. Fuel means a substance which is available in nature and gives heat and light on burning. So this is called fuel. Next definition is of fossil fuel. These are the fuels which are obtained from the remains of plants and animals, and these plants and animals were buried millions of years ago under the earth. The next definition is of renewable resources. These are the resources which once exhaust can be replaced again and again, and they never depleted from the earth. Non-renewable resources. These are the natural resources which once exhausted cannot be replaced again in a short period of time. Examples of non-renewable resources are coal and petroleum. Yes, the next definition is of destructive distillation. This is the process of heating of a substance strongly in the absence of air or oxygen. In the peak, destructive distillation of coal has been shown. By this distillation, we get coal, gas, coke, and coal tar as a product of destructive distillation of coal. Fractional distillation. This is the process by which components in a chemical mixture are separated into different components according to their boiling points. In the peak, fractional distillation of the petroleum has been shown. By this, we get many useful products from the petroleum. The next definition is carbonization. Carbonization, this is the slow chemical process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. By this, the buried plants are converted into coal. So, this is called carbonization.